Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to talk about how to change your linked bank accounts. Do you need to switch to a new bank account for your Fundbox transactions? Here's how to safely update your linked bank accounts. The first step is to log into your Fundbox dashboard. Of course, you got to log into fundbox.com and log in using your credentials. And once you're in and on your dashboard, step 2 is going to be to click your profile icon and go to the account settings tab. Now there you're going to select the bank account section, and once that's done you're going to click add new bank accounts. Now you're just going to use played or manual entry to connect your new accounts, and once added you're going to set it as your default account. Now this is optional, but you can remove the old account if it's no longer needed. A pro tip is to make sure that your new bank account has a transactions history and is actively used, because Fundbox needs this for verification and for underwriting. And that's pretty much it for the video guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.